Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. We would like to get some of your feedback and see how your experience went with us overall. Can you share with us how everything went with your sales manager?
Yeah, my sales manager was great. He really taught me through everything that I needed to know in regards to what I would be getting into. I really enjoyed our conversation, and the information that he was able to share with me was really good, and it led me down to where I am today with the solar panels.
Fantastic. Now, how many panels did you guys choose to get on your home?
We ended up getting 35 panels.
Perfect. That's fantastic. And with that being said, have you seen a difference in your utility bill?
Yes, we definitely have. There's been all but 2 months over the past year, since February, that they were $10. And those 2 months that they weren't $10, they were about $40 a piece. And that's just because of that high electric usage. But other than that, they were much lower than what I was paid in years previous.
That's fantastic. And how did the installation process go for you?
So the installation was hit and miss. We ran into some issues, but nothing that was overlooked or anything. The Green Home Systems really did work well with me, and the installer really worked well and made sure that everything was complete success before they said that it was done. So everything went well.
Fantastic. And last question, why did you choose to use with Green Home System?
I chose Green Home Systems after some research of my own, going through different companies and seeing what each had to offer and what was the best offers and what was the best information, who sounded more reasonable, who sounded more knowledgeable, and Green Home Systems stood out to me.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time today answering these questions for us. We definitely appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.